Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another product for unboxing and reviewing and testing, and this is from Powerfix. 3 different tools: ergonomic combination pliers, ergonomic side cutters, ergonomic needle nose pliers. Well, specs about this is similar for 3 products: biomaterial handles, angle pillars for a better transfer of power, easier of your joints, tendons and muscles with opening, spring and locking mechanism. Used to cut, grip and hold, about that. And used to cut that. And this is used to cut, grip and hold. Well, that's nice. Let's open it to see how to work with these tools. Well, here we are. You can see the unlocking mechanism. And it locks. Let's say we've got this cable and you want to grab it just like that, and then you can lock it and it stays locked there, not going anywhere. It's very convenient, and it unlocks and stays here. Or you can cut it, of course. There you see. Same goes here. So we've got another cable. And it cuts. Same, it locks. Very easy. And the other tool, same here, it locks. So you want to grab something, then you can lock it and it stays locked here. Of course, you can cut it. Very ergonomical. Nice. Well, it's not to see more about these tools. It's a typical tools for your home, for your garage, wherever is suitable for you. The differences from the similar tools like that is the ergonomic handle, and it gives you this lock mechanism. Well, you can handle better, definitely. Well guys, that was all about this video, how to use these tools. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.